Hi friends, let us learn and understand computers. What is computer? How is work? The definition of computer.
I am Benny Kavil. Since 1986, I am working in different areas of information technology like software, hardware, networking, etc. For the last 25 years, I am running a computer organization at Trichur, Kerala. I would like to impart my past experience in different branches of information technology with the public so that any layman can operate a computer system with self-confidence. Today, most of us are related to information technology one way or other way to meet different needs of our day-to-day life. Example, getting village certificates, examination hall tickets and results, submitting applications for various purposes, online classes, smartphones, etc. But majority of us are ignorant about what is computer, its merits and demerits. In this class, I would like to teach these subjects. Let us learn the definition of computer. The word computer is derived from the English word compute, means a device used for computation works. But computers are distinguished from calculators which can deal with only numerical data. But computers are capable to process numerical data, alphanumeric, multimedia data. So we can define a computer is an electronic device which can process or compute different types of data. Let us check what are the benefits or merits of computer or why we rely on computer. Okay. First, speed. Computer can solve any complex or complicated problems in nanoseconds. 1 nanoseconds means 1 by millionth of a second. For human being, it may take months to solve such problems. Second, accuracy. If the data fed into the computer is correct and accurate, the outcome or result from the computer is almost 100% accurate. Chances for mistake is very low, say 0% comparing to manual computation. Third benefit, ability to handle huge volume of data. Computers are capable to handle huge volume of data like national voters list, national census data, customers of bank, etc. In manual system, to handle such data, many human labor and long time is required. Fourth, huge or vast storing capacity. Computer can store large volume of data in short space. Without computer, it may take a lot of furniture and carpet area to store data like voters list, census data, etc. Next benefit of the computer is the capacity to retrieve data from history. For example, to get treatment details of a patient treated 10 years ago, computers will take only seconds if the data is stored systematically and properly. In manual system, sometimes the data may be ruined or it may take hours or days to retrieve the same. Also, physical storing risk is involved. Computers' ability to work continuously without break is amazing. Computers can work continuously without rest and with constant outcome. But for human beings, while working from morning to evening, the results or outcome varies from time to time. For human being, the outcome for his labor is more in before noon section and less in the afternoon section. Not only that, contrary to human being, factors like weariness, boring, mobile, etc. never affect computer working. So, computer can work day and night continuously. Computers are used to contact outside world. Now the entire world is in our hands. Now it is easy to contact or send or receive any kind of data to anybody anywhere in the universe. Usually it may take only seconds. Also it is made easy to learn or study any subject by sitting any corner of the world. The demerit of computer. So far we learned the merits or benefits of computer. But computer has a demerit. It cannot check the accuracy of instructions fed into it. Example, mistakes in entering name and address of organization or persons, etc. Mistakes in entering date of birth, sex, mobile number, etc. If we entered wrong data, the outcome also erroneous. Unlike human beings, it cannot take own decision or identify errors itself in the data entered. This demerit is known as Jigo effect. Garbage in, garbage out. Now I hope that you have learned about what is computer, the benefits of computer and the demerits of computer. You can learn more about computer in our next course. Next class, the working of computer, software and hardware. Keep in touch by sending your queries or doubts. Benny Kavil, Abacus online IT classes at gmail.com or 9745397722 or visit www.abacusshopee.biz. Your responses are stepping stone to our success. So don't forget to send comments. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.